Dad, a kid at school hit me. What? Why would anyone do something like that? I mean, I made fun of him in front of everyone, but I do that all the time and this never happened. Trevor, you didn't do anything wrong, okay? You're the victim. You're damn right I am. Let's get you to the hospital. Hey, Dad?
Yeah?
Someone at school hit me.
You've been back talking your teacher's boy?
No, it was another kid.
Oh. Did you hit him back?
Yeah.
So what's the issue?
I just thought that you maybe would want to know.
Why are you getting me involved? You said you hit him back, right?
Yeah, I did.
That's fair. What's the problem, son?
I don't know. Dad, someone at school hit me.
Good, it's good for you.